If you want perfectly straight lines, accurate alignment, and professional level results, whether you're hanging shelves, installing cabinets, framing walls, or working on large construction projects, choosing the right laser level can completely change your workflow. But here's the challenge. With so many options ranging from DIY-friendly models to contractor-grade rotary systems, finding the best laser level for your needs can be confusing. That's exactly why today we've analyzed some of the best laser levels trending in the USA and international markets based on precision, visibility, durability, versatility, and real-world usability. Quick reminder, all product links are already placed in the description box, so if you want to check current prices, detailed specs, or user reviews while watching, feel free to click those links anytime. Stay with us until number 1 because our top pick delivers incredible accuracy, powerful green laser visibility, and professional level features at an impressive value. Now let's begin the countdown, starting with a heavy-duty option designed for serious job site performance. Starting the countdown at number 5, Spectra Precision LL300N1 Laser Level, Self-Leveling Kit with HL450 Receiver. The Spectra Precision LL300N1 laser level is a rugged, contractor-grade rotary laser designed for users who demand high durability and reliable accuracy in challenging work environments. Unlike entry-level cross-line lasers, this model focuses on long-range leveling performance, making it especially suitable for outdoor construction, grading, foundation work, and large-scale layout projects. One of the most impressive features is its automatic self-leveling system, which minimizes setup time and reduces the risk of human error, helping professionals maintain consistent precision across long distances. The included HL450 receiver significantly enhances usability outdoors where laser lines may be difficult to see, allowing accurate measurements even in bright daylight conditions. Another key advantage is its robust build quality, engineered to withstand tough job site conditions including drops, vibrations, and environmental exposure. This level of durability makes it appealing for contractors who need reliable performance day after day. The rotary laser design provides 360-degree coverage, enabling efficient leveling across wide areas without constant repositioning. Users also appreciate the straightforward controls that reduce complexity while maintaining professional-grade functionality. Although it may be more than what casual DIY users require, it excels for professionals who prioritize accuracy, durability, and long-range performance. Overall, this laser level delivers dependable performance for demanding construction tasks and outdoor leveling projects. If you want to explore detailed specifications, updated pricing, or availability, the product link is provided in the description box below. Coming in at number 4, we have WEIDDW Laser Level 360 Self-Leveling 4D Laser Level, 4x360-degree cross-line laser. The WEIDDW 4D laser level offers impressive versatility for both DIY enthusiasts and professional users looking for a feature-packed yet accessible option. Designed with 4 360-degree laser planes, this model provides full room coverage, making it ideal for tile installation, ceiling alignment, wall framing, picture hanging, and renovation projects where multiple reference lines are essential. One of its biggest advantages is the 4 by 360 degrees cross-line projection, which allows simultaneous horizontal and vertical leveling, significantly speeding up workflow compared to traditional single-line tools. The green laser technology enhances visibility, especially indoors, delivering bright and easy-to-follow lines that improve accuracy during detailed work. Another standout feature is the dual battery setup, which helps extend runtime, an important factor for users working on longer projects without frequent charging interruptions. The self-leveling functionality simplifies setup by automatically correcting minor positioning errors, ensuring consistent results even for beginners. Build quality is designed with practicality in mind, offering portability without sacrificing stability. Many users appreciate its balance between advanced features and affordability, making it a strong mid-range choice for homeowners upgrading from basic tools. While it may not match heavy-duty rotary lasers for outdoor distance work, it excels for indoor projects requiring precise multi-line alignment. Overall, it provides excellent value for those wanting advanced 360-degree laser capabilities without professional-level pricing. For more detailed information and current pricing, check the link in the description box below. At number 3, Klein Tools 93 RLS Green Self-Leveling Rotary Laser Level Kit, Horizontal/Vertical with Plumb Spot. Klein Tools 93 RLS Green Self-Leveling Rotary Laser Level Kit stands out as a powerful professional solution combining precision, versatility, and premium construction quality. Designed for contractors, electricians, and construction professionals, this laser level offers both horizontal and vertical leveling capabilities along with a plumb spot feature, enabling accurate layout work across a wide range of applications. The green laser technology significantly improves visibility compared to traditional red lasers, making it easier to work in brighter environments or larger spaces where line clarity is essential. One of the key strengths is its extended working range, allowing users to maintain accuracy across large job sites without constant repositioning. The self-leveling mechanism reduces setup complexity and ensures reliable results, saving time and improving efficiency during demanding projects. Another advantage is the comprehensive kit design, which typically includes accessories that enhance functionality and make it ready for professional use right out of the box. Klein Tools is known for durable construction, and this model reflects that reputation with a design built to handle real-world job site conditions. Whether used for framing, layout alignment, or large-scale installations, it provides consistent and dependable performance. While it sits at a higher price point compared to basic laser levels, its professional-grade features justify the investment for serious users. Overall, this model delivers strong performance for those seeking accuracy, durability, and versatility in one package. For full details and updated pricing, the link is available in the description box below. Moving into number 2, DEWALT 12-volt max laser level green line laser 3-way 360-degree professional laser. The DEWALT 12-volt max green line laser level is a highly trusted option among professionals who want reliable performance backed by a well-known brand reputation. Designed with 3-way green laser lines, this model provides excellent coverage for layout tasks including framing, drywall installation, cabinetry, electrical work, and interior construction projects. One of the standout features is its bright green laser visibility, which enhances precision and reduces eye strain compared to standard red lasers, especially in well-lit environments. The 360-degree coverage allows users to create consistent reference lines across an entire workspace without repositioning the unit repeatedly, improving efficiency during complex installations. Powered by DEWALT's 12-volt max battery platform, it offers strong runtime performance and compatibility with other tools in the ecosystem, a major advantage for professionals already using DEWALT equipment. The rugged design includes protective housing that helps withstand job site conditions, making it suitable for frequent use in demanding environments. Users also appreciate the intuitive controls and quick setup process, allowing them to start working faster. While it's positioned as a professional-grade tool, it remains accessible enough for serious DIY users seeking higher precision. Overall, this laser level delivers a powerful combination of durability, visibility, and versatility that makes it a favorite among contractors. For more detailed information, current pricing, and availability, check the link provided in the description box below. Finally, taking the number 1 spot is the CIGMAN Laser Level Self-Leveling 3x360 degrees 3D Green Crossline for construction and picture hanging. The CIGMAN Laser Level Self-Leveling 3x360 degrees 3D Green Crossline, an impressive all-rounder that balances advanced features, strong performance, and excellent value for both professionals and DIY users. Designed with 3 full 360-degree laser planes, it creates complete room coverage, allowing users to work on floors, walls, and ceilings simultaneously without constant repositioning. This significantly speeds up projects like tile installation, shelving, picture hanging, and renovation tasks where multiple alignment references are needed. The green laser lines provide strong visibility indoors, helping improve precision and reducing measurement mistakes. One of the biggest advantages is its self-leveling capability, which automatically adjusts within a certain range to ensure accurate alignment even if the device isn't placed perfectly straight. The included remote control adds convenience by allowing adjustments from a distance, improving workflow efficiency. Users also appreciate its magnetic mounting options, making installation flexible on different surfaces. Despite offering advanced functionality, it remains user-friendly, which makes it appealing for beginners upgrading from traditional bubble levels. While it may not match industrial rotary lasers for long outdoor ranges, it excels as a versatile and highly practical laser level for most home and professional indoor applications. Overall, it delivers impressive features and performance at a competitive price point, earning the top position in this list. For more detailed information and updated pricing, check the link available in the description box below. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best products you can check out right now. I hope this video helps you get a clearer idea of which option truly delivers the best value for your needs and budget. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more top 5 reviews, detailed comparisons, and practical buying guides every single week. And of course, turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our upcoming videos featuring the latest and most trusted products across tech, home, and lifestyle. All the official links and updated prices are available in the description box below, so make sure to check them out if you're ready to upgrade your next purchase. Thanks a lot for watching Review the Best Buy, and I'll see you in the next one where we help you buy smart and live better.